Fabricators, you hold flames and produce fire from your fingertips. Without your skill and craftsmanship, the infrastructure that we count on for survival would crumble around us. When you need to protect your equipment, your environment, or even yourself, Techflex has had you covered for over 50 years. Techflex has engineered multiple products that can stand up to the heat and shrug off sparks, or whatever else you throw at it, while making our world stronger. Products you trust like the furnace-fighting Dragon Sleeve, the work area warrior Dragon Blanket, the extremely durable and dependable Turtle Wrap, the easy-to-install Fireflex Snap Wrap, and the slag and spatter stopping Weld Wrap. Techflex, the official sleeving of fabrication.